Hey everyone, and welcome back. I want to talk about something really personal today, something I have thought about a lot as I have gotten older, and that is friendship. We have all been conditioned to believe that life is a numbers game, right? The more friends, the fuller the life. My 20s were a blur of making friends. New job, new city, new hobby, must make friends. I was good at it. I was the one suggesting the happy hours, organizing the weekend trips, always keeping the group chat alive. But about a year or two ago, I just stopped. I realized I haven't actively tried to make a new friends in ages. And the weird thing, I don't feel like I am missing out. In fact, I feel better. Making a new friend today is exhausting. Think about it. It requires a massive initial investment of energy. You have to go through the whole interview phase. What do you do? Where are you from? What are your dreams? You are basically creating a detailed emotional resume for them. And that's just to get through the door. The moment you became friends, you now own a piece of their emotional real estate. You are committed to maintenance, remembering their dog's name, their partner's anniversary, their anxiety about work. And I found that I was spending so much mental bandwidth tracking other people's lives, and that I had none left for my own goals, my own peace, or even just my own quiet reflections. I started seeing the introduction not as a beginning, but as a future obligation. And that realization made me put up a mental close sign. This next one is a little heavier, and it goes back to the something I saw in a YouTube comment once. You don't stop making friends, you stop investing in people who don't invest back. I always the over giver. I plant the things. I check in first. I drove the distance, and slowly, over time, I realized that I was building friendship on a foundation of my efforts. If I stopped texting, the conversation died. If I did not plan the dinner, we did not meet. This created a sense of imbalance, a core exhaustion. I feel that I always cared 51% more than that the other person. The moment I stopped chasing that feeling, the feeling of desperately trying to level the emotional playing field, was the moment I gained back a ton of self respect. If a potential new friendship wasn't showing effortless mutual momentum from the start, I learned to let it fade. The older you get, the more you realize that your time is the most valuable currency you have. I used to have 20 casual friends. Now I have 3 or 4 deeply weighted long term friends. And honestly, the difference is life changing. I stopped making new friends because I decided that if I had to divide my limited social energy across 20 people, the quality of every single connection would suffer. I had only ever have time for surface level check-ins. By limiting the circle, I can invest 100% of my energy into the people who truly matter. We don't just talk about our jobs, we talk about our fears, our childhoods, and our core philosophies. That depth is definitely more fulfilling than the breadth of a large but shallow network. I stopped making friends because I found freedom in my own solitude. I realized that my most important friendship is the one I have with myself. My home is my sanctuary. My evenings are my time for reading, learning, or just being. And I realized that true belongings isn't found by forcing yourself into a new group. It's found in the quiet, confident knowledge that you are enough on your own. If this resonates with you, if you have found yourself quietly retreating for the social marathon, let me know in the comment. I had loved to know what the biggest reason was for your quiet exist. Don't forget to like this video if you appreciate these kind of honest conversations. Subscribe for more content on personal growth, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.